Did you know that there's a hack to keep your bangs in place? They won't budge all day. I haven't tried it. I'm going to show you guys what I saw on social media. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so I actually have here by Kiss. This is the lash glue liner. This stays sticky all day long. I'm not going to use a duo glue because a duo glue will completely dry down, and if the hair comes off the lash, it will be like in the wind. I want them to stay down on a surface that's sticky, and if they pop up, I want to be able to push them back down. So I'm going to do my hair with, and since I'm still recovering from my carpal tunnel surgery, I'm going to flatten my hair with the Head Candy brush. Not all brushes are created equal. I learned that a long time ago. This brush is amazing. You see how coarse my hair is. You see how wavy it is. It's amazing. So we're going to do my bangs. I'm going to do my hair really quick, and we're going to see, hey, oh, what is this? Was it worth it or not? This is a leave-in conditioner, so let's go ahead and just, this is kind of cool. Spray leave-in conditioner. Okay. Prep my hair. I'm going to put my gloss drops. I've used these forever. Make sure they don't get on that incision. This is protecting my hair before I put heat to it. Let me get the brush real quick. Be right back. I'm going to comb these knots out. No, my bra's showing. I got these new bras on Amazon. Yeah, well, I can't show you everything, but they are adorable, adorable. And if you have tubular breasts that come out, they fit so well. I learned that I can't recommend bras to people unless they have tubular breasts, that, you know, the breast that comes forward. Because like my sister, she has breasts that go wide, and these type of bras obviously don't fit her. Let me show you this. It goes up to 440 degrees. Let me show you this, how amazing this is. Like, you just comb through and we're straight already. I let it go too soon at the end there, but I just wanted to show you. Look at that. One sweep. Hold your ends and then release. And it's straight. Isn't that awesome? That's awesome. I'm going to finish up. You can see the struggle with the bangs, right? It's like I had to pull them out. You have to get all those long pieces out of the bangs. And a lot of times they don't want to stay like they're supposed to stay. Forward, down, and nice. You can tell me if you have the same struggle with yours as I do, and that's probably why I don't wear them as often as I should down, because they're a pain in my butt. So that's where the bangs are. Let's pick them up and put some glue on our forehead and see if this is gonna work or not. And put it right there. You see the line? I know you see the line. Let's take this centerpiece that always splits, and let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, kind of like that. Position them, the height, everything. Tap down. Spread them out. And tap down. That's kind of cool. Look at that. They were pretty much on there. And like I was saying, that this glue, it's clear. It's great. I'm going to do a little bit higher. And I think I'm going to come over here above my brows as well. Pull this out of the way for a second, and let's do this again. Okay, nice and feathered. And push it down. Take that part. I'm going to take that part off because I don't want them like wavy. I want them straight. And I'm just going to do this then. I don't want them sideways like that. You see what I'm talking about, the gap in the middle. Okay, I think it looks better as a side. I don't know. My bangs have a mind of their own today. They want to split in the middle, the whole bit, but let's go ahead and shake the hair. Let's see. It gives it a base. You can see this one attached only those. This one's pretty good on there. Look at that. You have to kind of fiddle with it. Like here, I'm going to put a stripe going this way. See if these bangs will stop making me look like I have a bald spot in the front. And push down. Yeah, today we're just gonna have to do this side bang. Let's see if it lasts all day. I'm gonna go do my Grubhub shifts. Yes, food delivery shifts. If you didn't know I did that for my side money, yes, I do. Look at that. So we're gonna do a bunch of deliveries today and see if these stay in place. I'm not gonna touch my hair. I'm not gonna mess with it. But I do have oily skin. So is this gonna pull up? I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna stay down. Truly, honestly, I put it on top of my makeup. My makeup was set the whole bit. And let's see if they lift up or not. Okay, while I get dressed and get ready to go walk out the door and do those food deliveries, I'm gonna show you how I got ready prior to showing you how I did the bangs. And if you don't want to watch this and you just want to see the check-ins, whether it lasts or not, just push the screen. Like if you're looking at me and you're watching this on YouTube, push the screen to the right. Just tap on the screen. It will go forward, forward, forward till you hit the check-ins for the bangs. But let me go show you how I got ready today. Is this the best anti-aging cream? It's by Gourmet. It's collagen firming moisturizing cream. Anti-aging firming, moisturizing, brightening, 3% collagen, 2% hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, peptides, and aloe vera. Like everything we want.
You can't make everybody happy. You're not a taco.
I will say that it's a nice hydrating moisturizer. Look at that. It's been on my skin for about 3 minutes. And you can see how my fingers glide. So, hey, if it does what it says it does, I'm in. Okay, so let's try a new palette out here. This is by Ace Beauty. Smoky Roses. What it looks like. We're going to do a quick eyeshadow look. Okay, we're going to put the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion on. This is in the color Eden. I just reordered this. This is my holy grail. And you're going to see that it has some color in it. Actually, let me swirl it in there and get some of that. You see it has a very light foundation color. This is actually going to make all the eyeshadows pop a little bit more. And your eyeshadows won't crease or budge the whole entire day. Okay, my eyeshadow's done. This is the mascara I used. This is by Essence. It's waterproof Lash Princess. It is super affordable and probably the best mascara for thickening and lengthening that I have ever come across that does not 100% make my eyelashes fall. Obviously, I have my falsies on, and then I put this right on top of the falsies as well. But let's go ahead and put my eyebrows on because I look really weird with no eyebrows on. Heavy duty, full coverage concealer. Trying out some new beauty blenders by Basic Beauty. I already wet it. I did not put SPF on, so I'm going to use the number 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Serum Foundation with SPF 20 in the sunscreen. Ooh. Make sure not to pull against those stitches. I'm going to use some loose setting powder, and I put it on the bottom. Woo, look at that. And then I work it up because we don't want too much powder under the eyes. Well, I will say my eyes are very rosy, so we're going to try this palette by Violet Boss called Rose. Let's open it up. Oops. My palette is broken, as you can see right there. Those are pretty, and I like to swatch them a lot of times because I can put them against the shadows. You can see better like which one would match. This pink one is super, super light. I think I'm going to go with the pink. This is a highlight brush, but we're going to use it because I don't know why I grabbed this brush. Oh yeah, that's pretty pigmented. Oh, snappity snap. That was way too much. Yeah, that's nice. They're very pigmented. Let's take the other side of the brush, see if we can diffuse this. Son of a gun. This is the palette I go to because it's the perfect contour color for my nose. It's by Pure. This is the Fair Light palette. Has blush, powder. This is amazing translucent powder, amazing bronzer. These are all amazing, but I was trying new makeup today, so I'm going to get the contour color and show you why I think this is the best color for light skin, light to medium skin. You see that? Like, that's the thing. I can see it because I know where I'm putting it, but look how light that is. And it is also shaping my nose out. But I don't look like I have 2 stripes down my nose and my nose look funny trying to contour it. You know, like you ever do your makeup at home, you're like, oh, this looks great, and then you walk out into the sunlight and like you can just tell you have 2 stripes on your nose. This one not. You can see it, but you can't see it, if that makes sense. That looks like it might match. Okay. Defiance Beauty by Nachami. Okay, this is called Warrior. Let's go ahead and just see how it looks. I'm not going to do a liner because I just want, it's a liquid, obviously. It smells like peppermint. That color is pretty. It looks like I have a liner on because it gave such a sharp edge. Okay, now for the star of the show, Lottie London. I saw this with Michaela, the TikToker, and I was like, I have to get it.
This is the Diamond Bounce Illuminated Highlighter in shade Frosted from Lottie London. These are under 10 bucks at Walmart. I haven't even put my finger in this yet. I am extremely excited to feel this. Oh my goodness.
We have to try this.
Look at this. Look
We're talking about.
Is this
We're
white?
talking about skin color.
I don't care. Is this white?
We're talking about skin color.
I don't care. Tell me your
Your
question.
skin
Is it
color
white?
is white.
No, it's not. This is.
Yes, it looks like it's white. It has this transparency to it, but it also has this like glass, gorgeous melt into the skin. Look at this. Has a tiny bit of glitter. Like, oh my gosh, this is so freaking pretty. Beautiful shine. Absolutely love it. Okay, guys, I'm dressed. I'm ready to go. Let's go do those deliveries and those check-ins and see whether these suckers move or not. Okay, I'm ready. I'm prepared. So that's how much they're moving with the AC on. They're pretty much, but I mean, I think, let's see here. Oh, that's a few of them from on top. That's the AC on. But it's pretty much staying in place, which is great. Okay, so I'm pumping some gas. I just want you guys to know it's about 94 degrees today in Las Vegas, so we'll see. It's late at night. You can see this. I've been doing the deliveries for a few hours now. And I will say some pieces came up, like this one. But look. It's down. I'm going to try to move it to see what happens when I... Actually, you know what? It looks like only that is down. But I guess because those little hairs are all stuck down to my forehead, it kind of trained... I don't know, actually. What I think is that it trained the hair to go that way. Because it normally will be like all over the place. I think it trained the hair to go that way and it just stayed that way. I think they were... Yeah. Obviously, they all didn't stay glued down, but it's nice. It's a nice little hack. I will say that. Hold on. It's almost like pulling your hair out on some of them when you try to get them off the glue. Okay, now let's see if I can push them back down like they were. Yeah, see? That glue mitt lets them re-adhere. Maybe it's not as sticky as it originally was because I produced so many oils on my forehead, but that's pretty good. Look at that. That's what glued down. That's pretty darn good. I actually like this hack.